Hi. So it's 4:30 in the morning. We are going to do something different today. What we're going to do today is we are going to listen to the birds. We are going to use two birding apps which will assist us in listening to the calls. So when it is dark, the camera or the binocs are not so useful. So we are not going to take camera or binocs with us right now. We'll take a walk in the terrace and in the ground. And whenever we listen to the bird call, we'll stop talking. We'll listen to the call and I'll show on the screen how the app is working, and accordingly you can use the app. So we'll see how many birds are there, and today's session is basic to see how many birds turn up early in the morning, and we'll make a list of it. So first we'll understand the common birds that around us, and you can also download this app and check around your home how many birds you can identify, and you can comment here and tell us what are the birds you are able to observe. It's quarter to 5 in the morning and we came downstairs, and I can hear few bird calls. Let's see what are those. And as soon as we are hearing to any birds, I'll display the screen recorder on the screen so that we'll understand the bird calls and the birding app, how it works. So right now it's only the two birds that we can hear. So here we are listening different calls. If you can see on the screen, multiple birds are here. I came to terrace right now, and you can see the sky is still dark, and city is still asleep. Traffic is light, but birds are already awake. So today we will try to see how many birds we can spot, how many birds we can see, and when it's daylight, that's when the normal bird watching most of the times it happens. If you have downloaded the app, you can play these calls that I'm showing, and try to identify whether your app is identifying it as well. The first app is the BirdNet, designed by Cornell Lab of Ornithology and Chemnist University of Technology. And the second one is Merlin Bird ID, which is also developed by Cornell Lab of Ornithology. So basically, these two apps are AI based learning apps which are fed with millions of bird sounds. And when this app is listening to any of the bird, it will check its database and then tell you which bird it is. So, with the daylight, now we are going to bring our camera and binocs out. We're going to scan the area, the entire area. This is huge area here. We'll scan it and we will try to record the videos, audio, and as well as capture some pictures, and we will start displaying them with the calls. And what you can do is you can install these apps and try to play those audios in this app and see whether you are able to identify the bird along with the bird picture. So we'll start with few common birds that we are able to see in this area, so that you can also start identifying those birds, bird names, how they look, and what they sound like.